people sure know how to trick. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today it is another Paris vlog and today it is Saturday, so I'm going out for just a walk with a friend of mine. Let's go out.
So what were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did. I'm back. We had a love like that. Why do I feel like that's slowly fading? We used to be friends. That was way back when you and I.
So today it is Sunday and I'm off to meeting some friends and I'm running late. So yeah, let's go to lunch. Hello guys, so today it is Wednesday and I have just filmed a video for you guys which is going to go live tomorrow. Actually, I have been a little bit bad at filming, so therefore I have kind of a little bit rushed with that video, but yeah, today it is Wednesday and that's what I have done today. I have done my makeup and just sat down and filmed that video. It is very hot outside today and therefore I haven't been out. Today it is 29 degrees outside, which is very hot compared to the temperatures that I'm used to in Norway and especially in Trondheim. In Trondheim today it is 12 degrees, so you can imagine how it is for me to live here when it is 29 degrees. It is quite hot. And also the buildings here in Paris mostly don't have air conditioning, so I don't want to pass out on the street if I'm going out. So therefore I'm waiting a little bit and maybe I will do a walk this evening to do some grocery shopping. If not, I'm going to just be in and edit the video for tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm actually going out on a dinner which I'm looking so much forward to. I'm going to Gigi and it has been one of my favorite restaurants in Paris. So finally I'm going to eat there again and I cannot wait. And I'm also going to meet a friend of mine who I also met last time when I was here in Paris. So that's going to be quite interesting. That was the day and now I will go back into work and edit the video. I will talk to you guys soon. Hello guys, so now I have just come back home from a lovely dinner. I was out with some friends of mine who are from the US and it was so nice to meet them again and they are so lovely. We went to Gigi and had a lovely dinner there. We ate some starters, we went for the artichoke and we also went for some parmesan and also a margarita. So it was quite overkill but it was so good. And for main course I went for the tagliata, which was very good. And yeah, I had such a lovely time there. And this week I haven't done that much shopping and I haven't went to that many luxury boutiques, and that's because I feel that I don't have any rush now when I live here. I feel that when you are visiting Paris, you are going into all the luxury stores and you have a certain amount of time, then you will plan the days after that. But I feel now that I live here, I don't have any rush with walking into all the stores and doing that all day. I don't want to get tired of it, so I'm trying to do it when I feel that I want to. And this week I haven't felt that I wanted it at all because it has been so hot here. It is a heat wave here, so therefore I haven't went out that much. I have been home here and working a lot and trying to do things so I can enjoy when the weather is a little bit colder. But tomorrow I have planned that I'm going to go out and I'm going to go to Avenue Montaigne, and I think I'm going to the St. George Hermes boutique, and hopefully you will see a little bit more of that type of content tomorrow. Sorry for the noise. I'm trying to do a little bit more funnier things tomorrow so you can follow along, and therefore I haven't vlogged that much content because I feel that it isn't as exciting to see me working at my computer every day. But let me know if it is something that you would like to see. What type of content would you like to see? Because I have done some things. I have done grocery shopping. Is that something you would like to see? I feel it is kind of off-brand to me because I am mainly focused in luxury brands. But I would like to also share my interest for other things, like for example food, grocery hauls. Is that something? I don't know. Would you like to see me cooking? What do you guys want to see? I would gladly share everything that you would like to see. I really need some advice when it comes to the content that I'm going to create, because I'm trying and planning to do one vlog each week. So I'm going to vlog for you guys a lot more than I have done, and therefore I need some advice. Is there any stores that you would like me to go into and film and show you guys? Let me know in the comments. I would gladly do it, and I'm so happy when I get any tips on what I should do. So yeah, let me know in the comments if there are anything that you would like to see more of. I would also like to be more personal on my channel from now on, because now I feel it is very comfortable to share my things, and yeah, I'm looking so much forward for you guys to get to know me better, because I know that I have been a little bit secretive when it comes to my personal life, and yeah, I am ready to share. I will talk to you guys very soon, and yeah. Hello guys, so I haven't managed to do anything today because I went out and got this fan because I'm boiling here. But yeah, today I'm going out with some friends. First I'm going to meet someone at the 30 Montaigne, and after that I'm going to meet someone at Carrette. So yeah, let's go out.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the ashes, we carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Oh, yeah. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold. In your arms of gold. In your arms of gold.
So now I have just come back from Carrette and now I'm waiting for my nachos to cook. But yeah, I went to Carrette today and I also went to the Dior cafe once again. But I did try the matcha this time, and I also met up with a friend of mine, and I will leave her Instagram handle here so you can check her out as well. She is so lovely and it was so nice once again to meet her. And after that I went to Carrier and I also went to Keith, and after that I went to Carrette. And I have to say I'm very disappointed about the service at Carrette. I did know it was bad, but the service that we got today was so bad. I would say that it is definitely not worth going there. I thought that it would be good to just have a drink there or some pancakes because we had that, but that was also disappointing. So that says a lot about quality there. But it was so lovely to meet another friend of mine, and I had a very good day even though it was very hot. It was almost 30 degrees here, but I finally managed to get a fan for my apartment, and hopefully tonight I will be able to sleep better, because last night I was not sleeping at all because it was so hot inside here. So hopefully tonight I will sleep a lot better. I really enjoy my life in Paris and I feel it is so good for me to live here, both because I get to know new people, but also because I am a lot more out now and I'm challenging myself to do things that I wouldn't normally do. But sometimes I have to be a little bit better at just taking up the camera and film, because I know that I'm a little bit bad at it, because I don't want to get caught and I don't want to get on bad terms with any of the luxury boutiques, so therefore I do it more secretively. But sometimes I just have to do it. Most of the times it is completely okay, but I don't want to step on anybody's toes. So, and also I have been trying to get an Hermes appointment, but I haven't had any luck yet. I will see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, good night. Hello guys, so today it is Sunday and I haven't done that much today because of the heat wave again. It is very hot here, so I feel that I don't have the most energy when it is so hot outside. But today I have just been working a little bit on the vlog, which is going to go live today. The week was amazing. I met many of my friends. I had an amazing dinner, but it has been very hot, and in the coming week it isn't going to be that much sun, but it is still going to be hot and some days rainy. And I have gotten some questions about my skincare and my makeup routine, so I'm going to do that in my next vlog. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos and vlogs about luxury fashion, handbags and shoes, and now my life in Paris. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'm planning to do that next week for the next vlog, and I know that this vlog isn't the most unique or special one because I haven't done that much this week, but I'm planning to show you guys a little bit more everyday type of content, what I do from day to day, and yeah, I hope that is something that you would like to see. But for now it is so hot and I cannot even think clearly because it is so hot. I'm not used to this at all, but hopefully it will change soon because I cannot stand this anymore. But yeah, that was the vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye.